And welcome back, guys. Today we're going to have a look at this Koraidon Ex tin. Let's see what's inside and see if we can get any decent pulls. Sorry about the camera, guys. Let's have a look. So we get the Koraidon Ex card. It's a pretty nice card, to be fair. The code card for you guys. And I think it's just 4 packs. So we've got 2 Paldea Evolved, Scarlet and Violet base, and a Silver Tempest. So let's start with the Scarlet and Violet base. So look at this code card for you guys. Let's have a look. So we've got a Mass Chief, Sweeper, Meditite, Pocket Helmet, Fortress Reverse Hollow, ooh, and a Bayonet EX. I've never seen that card before. That is so nice. Next, Silver Tempest. Let's have a look, see if we can pick anything out of this. Code card for you guys. I think it's 4 from the back. Yeah. So we have Serena, Emergency Jelly, Noibat, Feebas, Spinder, Venonat, and nothing in that pack. Now we've got 2 Paldea Evolved. The first pack. Just get into it. Code card for you guys. And straight in, Tinker Tank, Shroodle, Glimmer. Let's go Jet Energy. Reverse, second reverse, and no, Wigglytuff Hollow in that one. Last pack, see if we can get what else out of this. Again, code card for you guys. Let's get straight into it. No, that's Quaxley. Boss's Orders Reverse. And a Weevil Hollow. Look, guys, so out of that tin, we just got the Bayonet EX. Very nice card. Thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, give us a like, comment, and please subscribe.